4 hidden features of YouTube. Feature number 1. Maximize screen in YouTube. We used to maximize screen by clicking on the button. Just simply swipe the screen upward and it's done. Feature number 2. Forwarding the video. We double-click every time to forward the video. Simply hold the screen and swipe right or left. Feature number 3. Share a clip from video to anyone. Click on the clip icon. Share a clip from video to anyone. Feature number 4. Share a video from particular time. Copy the link and write the time interval. Share on WhatsApp. Write the time interval in end of clip. Click on the link. Now it will start from the time you wrote.